Hi everyone, my name is Kirsten and today I would like to explain to you the importance of hip flexion for handstands. In my Inspired Inversion series, I work a lot on opening the hips, and this is why. So when you want to bring your center of gravity over your shoulders, your center of gravity will be in your navel or in your pelvic area. So you want to be able to transfer the weight from your hips to your hands, and it will be much easier if you can bring your feet closer to your hands, because you want to create this feeling of lifting from the belly, from the core. And the closer your knees or your thighs can get to your chest, the easier you will be able to press into a handstand. So when your body is in forward flexion, so forward fold, this is a pike. So when you are in hollow body, which is also needed for handstands, you're slightly piking. But when you want to do a pike press, you want to press from this position. You want to either press from standing splits, and it's much easier to get into standing splits when your hips are open, and then raising up to the ball of the foot and pressing into a handstand. And it will also be much easier if you go into Prasarita, which is a different entry to handstand, when your hips are open. And you can just shift the weight forwards, and there's no problem pressing up. The press will still require strength from the core and the shoulders, but it's still easier than to do it when your center of gravity is not in line with the handstand line. So to press up from here will be much easier than to have to jump from here to get your hips over your shoulders. So hip flexion is very important, and if you need to open up your hips for inspired inversions, then you can join me in my series. See you.